Ever wondered why date handling is such a common interview question for Python developers? Because working with dates and times is everywhere in real applications, from logging events to scheduling tasks to tracking user activity. Python's datetime module provides specialized classes for representing dates and times. The datetime class handles both date and time together, perfect for timestamps. The date class stores just year, month, and day. The time class holds hours, minutes, seconds, and microseconds. And timedelta represents a duration or difference between two dates. Each class gives you clean, type-safe ways to work with temporal data instead of juggling raw numbers. One of the most powerful features is date arithmetic. You can add or subtract timedelta objects to calculate future or past dates. Want to know what date it'll be 30 days from now? Just add timedelta with days equals 30. Need to find the difference between two dates? Subtract them, and you get a timedelta showing the exact gap in days, seconds, and microseconds. This makes scheduling and deadline calculations trivial. The module also handles formatting and passing through strftime and strptime. Strftime converts datetime objects into formatted strings using format codes like %y for year or %meters for month. Strptime does the reverse, passing strings into datetime objects. This is essential when you're reading dates from files, APIs, or user input, or when you need to display dates in a human-friendly format. Finally, datetime supports timezone awareness through the timefo class and timezone objects. Naive datetime objects have no timezone information, but you can make them aware by attaching timezone data. This is critical for applications serving users across different time zones or coordinating with external systems. The module integrates with libraries like PITs for comprehensive timezone handling. So remember, the datetime module is Python's comprehensive toolkit for creating, manipulating, formatting, and timezone handling all your date and time needs. Master these fundamentals, and you'll ace any datetime interview question. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.